What is your views on this video?
Rude boy, how we run the show. So I did something now. Just listen, let me tell you the story. How it go.
What do you think about the whole situation of the whole video where you see Rawpa Crawpa talk with that woman? What do you think about the whole situation? Just give me a short of opinion. What do you think about it?
Well, my opinion is that I didn't see no evidence. I think this story got some holes in it. So, I don't know where these evidence get hide up. They said it was a sealed envelope. Nobody didn't open it in. She don't know what was in it.
Oh, for the purpose we who don't know what video we are talking, there's this lady who posted this video that her child was taken from her because given to the man that molested her kid. So for anybody who watched this video, we're gonna share a link and you can find this video, and then I want everybody to form their own opinion on the whole situation, because this is serious. One thing we can understand, but I will leave that Rawpa Crawpa bash Jamaican men. I would suggest to Rawpa Crawpa take it back. Those things happen all over the world. So when you are going to say Jamaican men, then you know those things happen all over the world. And you are an intelligent man, so you should know that. So stop bashing in Jamaican man. Damien, what do you think about it?
There's a lot of glitch in her story where me find confusing. And there's some comments made by Rawpa Crawpa where me find disturbing also. Because, you know, point out that individual and pitch upon them in a work, so. You have crime everywhere. You have man and molest picnic everywhere. The problem is how we get rid of it. Okay? It happen in England, it happen in Canada, America, Jamaica, everywhere.
Yeah. But in this situation though, what may I want to say, because that woman don't prove her case.
No, she did not.
I watched her through all the video.
She did not.
And she did not prove her case. So
because
I'm not sure, and I'm not gonna say the man never do it or the man did it. But there's always both sides of the story. We only hear one side of the story. But one thing for sure is the system will never take away the kid if they did not find some glitch. The police is stupid. Everybody's stupid. That's a question side too.
yes. Because
I'm not buying this story.
sometimes when we look at, like, she go to the police with a case with your daughter. You say our father molest her. Okay? Next thing, you go comment on the police and talk about you on your shots.
Yes.
Then again, you go stray from the thing and you go comment on coronavirus. Coronavirus now nothing to do with the molestation of your kid.
The coronavirus has nothing to do with the situation, and that's why I'm not buying. And unfortunately, I cannot buy this story.
And if you blame me as a Jamaican, I'm a born, grown Jamaican before me migrate overseas, okay? And if a judge, if you bring a case against me, say me molest my kid, right? You bring the kid, you get tested and everything, but at the end of the day, the court award the kid in my custody. That sure say
There's some
your thing not credible.
Something got to be wrong.
And she hide the story because when the court award that kid to the father, the court supposed to tell her why she's not fit enough
for the kid.
Why
To
she
raise
lost,
that
yes.
kid. Why you lost custody
Yeah.
of
What
your
about
kid?
that section
Why
of
don't you
story?
share that story?
So
Make we know everything.
So that means she held up that
Put
part of the
everything-
Why
story.
you
Yes.
hiding that part?
Yes.
That was the story that was in
Because
the
you
envelope.
have to have your disclosure.
That was the story that was in the envelope.
Yes.
They had to tell her at some point in time.
You said the doctor never tell you what him find with the kid when he test the kid.
They said it's a police
Them say a
matter.
police
But
matter.
it should be.
Okay.
It should be.
Which is right. No one is bigger than the law.
So now it go to police matter. Somebody should have been arrested.
Child molestation is a big crime.
Especially if the father doing it.
Okay?
Yeah. But if there's a reason to arrest the father, Mikey, so that's the one I think. If there's a
So we
reason
don't
to
know-
arrest the father,
we
but
don't know what
for
they
the
do.
main
Why
fact,
wasn't the
For the
father
main
arrested?
What we,
for
what,
the main fact they did not arrest the father, there is something lie with this woman's story.
I mean,
I'm
never
not
hear-
saying
never hear
because
what was in
I'm
the
not
envelope.
saying that she lying. All I'm saying
what was
is
in the
that
envelope? I would like to know that.
We
Yeah.
need to get the father
Story.
story.
We need to
He
know
need
what
to
the,
tell his
we,
story.
We need to know
Because
what the
right
envelope
now-
was saying.
That poor guy probably don't even know. There's a story of
There's
him
a
on
story
YouTube
going on about him.
right now.
well, you know what?
Because some of us
I'm
as
really
father get blamed.
me personal.
Innocently.
Me personal.
When the little girl
I'm
get interviewed,
not-
I would like to hear what she had to say to the police.
Yeah. I
Or
am
there's
not
no way she
gonna-
could tell the police that she father molested her and then they still give him custody.
No.
So I would like to
No.
know what she said.
I will not buy that story that
You
the
didn't get that.
no, I will not buy her story and her tears. It just not worth it because first of all, when I click on it, it sounds interesting, but when she start to speak, then it's not making sense.
And you're missing out story.
Everybody,
Right?
and then
You're
you
missing
say
out
everybody
important
wrong
part.
and everybody wrong. No, her story not making sense. And I would suggest to Rawpa Crawpa, review that whole situation. If you're going to highlight one situation,
There might be a part two of this.
yes.
So we're here to do is the interview the father and the
Yeah.
father give us the story.
But no, he only take it up on himself to bash Jamaican man too. He play Jamaican man. We know what Jamaican man done. No, it's not all that way. And I'm Jamaican man.
But
I would never
I
want you
agree with
to
that. You can't speak for every
You
Jamaican.
can't do that.
Yeah, you cannot put down Jamaican.
You can't put
man
every
like
man in that category because that is a very
that.
serious
You're
category.
specific.
That
You're
is very
specifically.
that's a very serious
Call out
category.
Jamaican
Jamaican man,
man.
what you doing? What you doing, Rawpa Crawpa?
Don't point finger. Because when you point 1-9, I point back for you.
No, you said, but he was speaking about himself because he's a Jamaican man.
Yes.
Probably not live there. He know. First of all, he did not access the whole situation. First of all, I said my personal view. I don't buy the situation. I don't buy her story. So if she have a better story with better tears, then bring it. But her story not making sense. It's just not making
Is
sense.
that a wrap?
Yeah.
I'll drink to that.
Alright? So you come with a better story and then we drink to your story.
Yeah.
We let the father tell his
We're
story.
gonna get to the bottom of this. We want
And
to
we
hear
get
what
to
the
the
father
bottom
was
of
here.
it.
Yeah, because it's one next kid, and I have like my own daughter of myself. I'm a father of myself, a father of 4. Like 2 daughters, 2 boys. So I would want to know say these kids safe. But in the meantime, not because things not working out with me and the mother, then they're gonna build a story and say, okay, it's okay to do that. It's not okay because what you're building against your children.
But people
You
try
gotta
that.
know how you grow your children.
But I see.
So make sure you not carry a selfish attitude in our system. Keep it and grow your children right. Don't teach them to tell lie. And that's what exactly when they take that kid and question it, I think that's what happened. They find her mother's story not credible.
but
They did not get a credit story from the mother and the kid couldn't defend it.
I see bitterness in this lady. I see bitterness in her. I see the tension in her. Because that baby daddy abused her and he never take care of the child. Because they were going to court on and off for maintenance. So she's bitter against that man. So it's easy for she bring false accusation against the guy. It's easy to build a story with the kid against his own father.
She could have done something.
Why that kid never resist?
I don't think the kid should.
Why that kid don't resist from spending time with that father? Why that kid never resist going to that father when the court award her to her father?
She would not want to go if that did happen.
Trust me.
Why didn't her see the signs in that kid?
Damien.
But she could have done it herself.
Butterflex.
Instead of putting the daughter there, she could have said that the man raped her. Then it would be him and her.
Yeah.
Butterflex, let me have a child to say. Don't be, because we only hear one side of that story.
Yeah.
Don't think that the system did not investigate the matter. They did.
They have to do a thorough investigation.
They did investigate the matter, but they never find nothing to match. What they find is a mother who deceitful. She's a liar. That's my personal view anyway.
Yes.
That's my personal. She put her story, so I'm gonna just make it known how I feel about her. She's a liar, desperate. And now she's bringing it to social media now. If I have any power, I don't feel her pain neither.
No.
I don't feel her pain.
She contradicts herself more than once.
If I was the judge, I would probably don't let you see the kid again because you're poisoning the kid, you're teaching the kid lie. You're teaching the kid because of your selfish attitude. And about 10 people stand up and face the truth. Rawpa Crawpa, you need to pay attention and accept the both sides of the story, but don't even go jump on Jamaican man and shaking your head like right, left and center. It's not okay. It's not okay. People look up to you. People look up to you, Rawpa Crawpa. Pay attention.
Hey, give thanks for life.